As you hear, this is an IKEA cabinet and the metal is thinner and the quality is less than the one from Amazon. So those are a little bit hard. I believe they should have supplied like softer ones for this cabinet. Anyway, as you saw, the installation was easy. Instruction was a little bit useless, but for the price they are good. So I will not show the whole garage now, but let me finish it and then I will do a video for the garage and how much did it cost me and what items I did use.